Example number 4, we want to solve the system using elimination. We look at the x, we have 4 and 6, the y, we have 6 and 9. So we want to eliminate the x because they are smaller. So 4 and 6, they both go to 12. So we're going to multiply by 3 because 4 go to 12 3 times and 6 go to 12 is 2 times. And also, we want them to be opposite, so I'm going to choose -2 for the second equation to be negative. So we distribute now. And we have -12x plus 18y equal -4. What happened is that the x and the y, they both gone, and we got the answer is 0 equal to 19. So this is a false statement. If we recall from section 4.2 we learned before, we can say that the two lines are parallel. And the two lines parallel, they do not have point in common. So that's why there is no solution. Or you can say the solution set is empty. Or you can write it like this, mean empty. Example number 5, this is also the special case. But before we try to solve, whenever we have a fraction, we need to get rid of fraction before we try to solve. We will get rid of 2 and 3 by multiply both sides by 6. And multiply both sides by 8 in the bottom. That is the least common denominator. So we will distribute 6 times 3 over 2x plus 6 times 2 over 3y equal -24. We multiply 8 for the second equation. So we get 8 times -9 over 8x minus 8 times 1/2 y equal 24. Now let's simplify. 2 go to 6 is 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9x plus 3 go to 6 is 2 times. So 2 times 2 is 4y equal -24. And then the bottom one, we got 9x minus is 4. 4 times 1 is 4y equal 24. So far from the beginning up to now, we try to fix the problem. So we did not solve the problem, but we try to fix the problem so that we have a nicer equation because the problem has the fraction. Okay, so after we get nice equations, then we'll look at the x and we'll look at the y. They both opposite. So now we just go ahead and add them up. We don't need to multiply anything more. And when we add them up, it's gone for both sides. So it's 0 and 0, and it gives us the true statement. So remember, when we have true statement, that means the two lines are identical. So that means they overlap. And so we have there are infinitely many solutions.